Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. ICE Brent crude oil futures. A complete break higher outside late November 2022 to January this year sideways triangle, with a second consecutive close over it and the base of the action right on the upper trend line, currently at 85.44. Additionally, the market punched up and closed over the congestion at 86.67 and the interesting 50% Fibonacci line of November 2020 to March 2022 move at 87.41. Ultimately, prices were capped by the flatlining medium moving average, currently 88.14. That was just a little higher. Beyond the medium moving average, you have very little bar highs in December at 89.37 and November at 89.90, until the lesser Fibonacci and congestion up at 92.07. All this brings into the frame the upper bear channel line, the big old one from March 2022, currently at 93.95. I'm not too sure how good a resistance this will be, but it is still nevertheless still there. Anyway, with all this, it is, I think, about time I indicated some targets for this sideways triangle. Thus, the primary target X would be in the 93.80 area, and a secondary harder to reach target X1 would be in the 99.80 area. Now, so far today, a slightly higher open and dip below the 50% Fibonacci line, but not below the congestion at 86.67, before a move up, and what a significant move up as well, breaching the medium moving average, if only just. This is the first breach of the medium moving average since early November last year. Spot gold. A higher yet still indecisive spinning top on Friday. It was nevertheless still a small step higher despite the lower close. Below we now have the June 2021 high at 1916.5 as support. Overall, we are still in the follow-on higher from the large monthly key reversal up we saw in November last year. Additionally, we are also still within the break higher from the November 2022 to January 2023 ascending wedge pattern, and we came closer than ever on Friday to the primary target X in the 1942 area for this pattern. We also have the harder to reach secondary target X2. Is it X2? Yeah, it's X2. Up at 1991 area. This one may take some doing and may eventually disappoint. I'm just saying that to manage your expectations, especially as it's just peeking in underneath the top of my daily chart. So far today, a little lower, but not by much. We still have the June 2021 high below, and we've not extended the highs any further as yet. And we're looking like an indecisive doji cross right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.